This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now this is a gorgeous knife set. It comes with a handy manual that tells you the name of each knife and where it goes within the block. Each knife and product is individually wrapped for safety, and it makes sure that they all arrive in tip-top shape. Look at the gorgeous laser wave pattern on these utensils. I mean, wow, so beautiful. The block itself is really nice. I love the color and the sheen on it. So it's pretty intuitive where the knives and the utensils go, but if you have any problems, just refer to your manual. Proper use says wash them with warm water before using, and do not use them on glass or directly on your tabletop or even marble. You do want to use them on wood. I don't have any wood cutting boards at this moment, but I will. So I, of course, had to test the sharpness with my beets because I love making beet kvass, and they worked wonderfully. So sharp. I am so happy to have this set.